Hey guys, it's Lucas and welcome back to Microfiber Monday. Today we're going to be doing a quick basic interior detail with our Detailer's Preference products. Let's go ahead and check them out. First, we're going to use our 16x16 350 GSM microfiber yellow towels. These are great for all-purpose cleaning on the inside. Next, what we're going to use is our interior exterior cleaning glove. We're going to use this on the dashboard and also the scour side on the door jambs. Then we're going to use our glass cleaning towels. This is perfect for keeping our windows and windshields clean. And finally, we're going to use our suede microfiber electronic screen cleaners to tackle those fingerprints. Let's go ahead and get started. Our first step is to get all the trash out of the car, and then we're going to vacuum. Get all that trash right here. Now that we've finished vacuuming, we're going to clean the leather. First, we're going to do the steering wheel. All we have to do is spray our leather cleaner onto our yellow microfiber towel and go ahead and start cleaning. Wow guys, look at how much gunk this microfiber took out. This is why we love our yellow towels. As you can see, this side has a lot of gunk already, so when we clean the seats leather, we're going to open it up, flip it around, fold it back, and now we have a fresh side to clean our seats. Look at all that. After we finish cleaning the leather, we are going to now do the dashboard. We're going to use our interior-exterior cleaning glove with the chenille side to do the dusting, and then we're going to use a fresh yellow towel to put our cleaner and just wipe away all that dirt and grime. To put the glove on, we're going to just simply put our hands in, boom, boom, and boom. And now we have our chenille side here, and we can even flip sides for our scour side. Let's go ahead and start dusting. Once we're done dusting, we're going to take our glove off, grab a fresh yellow towel, spray it on with some cleaner, and start cleaning and wiping away at the dashboard. Now that we're done with the dashboard, we can move on to cleaning the doors. Now it's time to clean the door jambs. We're going to use our glove again, but this time the scour side to remove all of that hard to come off dirt and grime. Now that the door jambs are clean, we're just going to do a final wipe, and boom. Look at how beautiful this is. Door jambs are done. Now we're going to use our glass cleaning towel and our spray to clean the windows. Our last step is to clean the screens. There you have it. We have just completed our basic interior detail. If you are interested in any of the products used in this video, check the description below. Be sure to follow us on our social media at detailerspreference_official. Hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to see our latest videos. This has been Microfiber Monday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.